Hi, Ryan here from Foxtecc. If you've noticed that your photos are syncing between your iPhone and iPad, this video will help you figure out what's going on and how to stop it. Let's get right to it. If your photos are syncing, it's probably because both devices are using the same Apple ID. This is perfectly normal, but it's important to understand that it's the reason why this is happening. If you're using different Apple IDs on each device, then the syncing might be coming from a third-party cloud service, like Dropbox. So, double-check your setup if that's the case. To manage iCloud syncing, first open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple ID name at the top of the screen, then select iCloud. After that, tap on Photos. Here, you'll see an option called iCloud Photos. Toggle this off to stop the syncing between your devices. Then, head over to your iPad and repeat the same steps to make sure iCloud Photos is turned off there as well. If you don't want to completely disable iCloud Photos but just want to stop sharing albums, there's another option. Go into Settings, then Photos, and disable Shared Albums. This will prevent shared albums from syncing without affecting the rest of your photo library. Finally, if you're using AirDrop to send photos between devices, make sure to disable it on both your iPhone and iPad to avoid any accidental transfers. After you've made these changes, restart both devices to make sure everything takes effect properly. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like this. See you later.